They're just ants, silly goose. Okay, so you're going to show me your deep end skills.
Oh, my God.
Okay. Okay, what number is the deep end? Piper, what number is the deep end?
It's pretty deep.
What number is this?
5.
Okay, now put your goggles on and show me how your deep end skills.
I could do it. I'm not scared of the deep end.
You're not scared of the deep end?
No.
Wow.
Now I was scared of the deep end last time, but now I'm not scared of the deep end
You're
anymore.
so brave. Now show me your swimming skills in the deep end.
I could do.
Amazing!
You saw a video of it?
I did shoot a video of it because it's amazing.
Now I gotta go to the shallow.
You're going to go to the shallow end? Show me your swimming to the shallow end. Raise your arms. Are you okay? Okay? Good job. You did so good swimming. I am so proud of you.
Now you wanna play fishing?
I want to play fishing. Let me put my phone away. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye underwater. Go underwater and say bubble, 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 bubble. Say bye-bye under the water.
Is this right?
That's right. That was excellent bye-bye skills. Later, dudes.
They do.